Hey everyone, welcome back to Tony's Top Tech. I'm your host, Tony, and today we've got a fantastic roundup of practical, fun, and thoughtful Amazon gifts that won't break the bank. Whether it's a birthday, an anniversary, or just a random act of kindness, these affordable gadgets will make anyone's day. We've got gadgets for everyone, from tech enthusiasts to homebodies, and everything in between. Don't forget to check out the links to all of these products in the description below. Now, let's dive right in. Coming in at number 15, we have something for all the tech-savvy individuals out there, an SD card reader. 15th SD card reader. This isn't your ordinary SD card reader. With super speed data transmission thanks to a USB 3.1 chip, it's perfect for anyone who works with photos, videos, or large files. It boasts speeds of up to 312 megabytes per second. Plus, it supports plug-and-play functionality with a Type-C interface, which means it's compatible with modern smartphones and tablets. But that's not all. It's also a storage case, holding up to 2 nano SIM cards, 4 SD cards, and 4 TF cards. It even comes with an eject pin for easy use. Talk about a versatile tool for anyone handling data on the go. 14th, retractable keychain. Next up at number 14, we have a retractable keychain. If you or someone you know is constantly looking for their keys, this is a game changer. This keychain features a unique interval locking mechanism, allowing the cord to lock at different lengths. It's perfect for situations where you need quick access but don't want to fumble around. Plus, it comes with several attachments including a badge clip, zinc alloy carabiner, and a lobster claw clasp. Whether you're using it for work, travel, or day-to-day use, this keychain is super practical. 13. Finger chopsticks. Coming in at number 13, we have a fun yet practical gift. Finger chopsticks. This quirky gadget is ideal for snacking while keeping your hands clean. Whether you're playing video games, typing away at your desk, or watching TV, these finger chopsticks help you snack without smudging your devices. They're ergonomic, comfortable to hold, and prevent the greasy fingerprints that come with chips, popcorn, or candy. So, if you know someone who loves to snack but hates the mess, these are the perfect gift. 12. Electric lunchbox. At number 12, we've got something perfect for those who are always on the go. The electric lunchbox. This little gadget allows you to bring a warm meal with you anywhere, whether it's to work or school. With a 20-ounce capacity, it's ideal for personal portions, and it's equipped with a seal and store lid to prevent spills. The detachable cord makes storage easy, and the container is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. It's a great gift for busy professionals or students who need a hot meal during the day. Verse 11. Self-heating coffee mug. At number 11, we have the self-heating coffee mug. And if you know someone who is a coffee connoisseur, this one's for them. This mug allows you to customize your drink's temperature anywhere from 105 degrees C to 175 degrees C, ensuring that every sip is just how they like it. The infrared detection technology keeps your drink at the perfect temperature and turns off automatically when not in use to save energy. If you want a practical gift that keeps them caffeinated and happy, this mug is the way to go. For 10. Rechargeable hand warmers. At number 10, we have the rechargeable hand warmers, which are especially perfect for those chilly winter days. These cute avocado-shaped hand warmers not only look adorable, but they're also functional. You can use them individually or together, and they have 3 different heat settings. Whether you're trying to stay warm during a cold commute or soothe arthritis pain, these hand warmers provide comfort. And the best part, they're rechargeable. So no need to worry about running out of battery during the coldest days of the year. Number 9. Pen diffuser. Number 9 brings us a wonderful combination of relaxation and productivity. A pen diffuser. This pen is great for anyone who could use a little extra focus or calm during their workday. While you're writing, this diffuser releases essential oils that promote relaxation, concentration, or even a sense of joy. The pen comes with a comfortable grip and a 1.0mm black ballpoint tip, ensuring smooth writing. Plus, it includes a refill, making this a thoughtful and unique gift that goes beyond just writing. 8. Throw blanket. At number 8, we have the throw blanket, an item that everyone can use. Whether it's for curling up on the couch, keeping warm during a nap, or adding a cozy touch to your bedroom, this throw blanket is the epitome of comfort. Made from premium microfiber and flannel fleece, it offers the perfect balance of warmth and lightweight comfort. With its stylish stripe pattern, it's perfect for any home decor. This cozy gift is bound to be a hit. Number 7. Tumbler. Number 7 is the tumbler. If you're on the hunt for a practical gift that someone can use every day, look no further. This tumbler features a 100% leak-proof design, making it ideal for carrying cold or carbonated drinks on the go. Made from durable stainless steel, It's both eco-friendly and easy to use. The advanced insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours, and the included reusable straw with a silicone tip ensures a comfortable drinking experience. It's perfect for commutes, outdoor adventures, or even just long days at the office. Number 6. Bathtub Tray. At number 6, we have something to elevate anyone's bath time. The bathtub tray. If you know someone who loves a relaxing bath, this tray is a must-have. It's designed with expandable handles that fit most tubs and offers a sturdy surface for all their essentials. There's even a foldable stand for books or tablets, plus a slot for a wine glass and compartments for candles, towels, and soap. Whether they enjoy a solo bath or want to share the experience with someone special, this tray is the perfect addition to their bath routine. Number 5. Sling Bag. Number 5 brings us the stylish Sling Bag. This compact and durable bag is perfect for someone who wants to keep their hands free while still carrying all their essentials. With multiple compartments for phones, tech gadgets, and other small items, it's ideal for daily use or travel. The adjustable strap and ergonomic design ensure comfort, while the waterproof fabric keeps everything safe from the elements. If you're looking for a gift that combines functionality and style, this Sling Bag is a winner. 4. Laser Measuring Tool. Coming in at number 4, we have the Laser Measuring Tool, a gadget any DIY enthusiast or professional will appreciate. It measures distances with laser precision, and it's incredibly easy to use. With a range of 0.16 to 98 feet, it's perfect for home renovations, furniture placement, or any other project where accuracy matters. The lightweight portable design makes it easy to carry, and the OLED screen ensures visibility in all conditions. If you know someone who loves home improvement projects or needs precise measurements, this tool is a great pick. Number 3. Portable Charger. At number 3, we have the Portable Charger, a must-have for anyone who's constantly on the move. This compact charger utilizes magnetic technology, allowing it to securely attach to an iPhone for wireless charging at up to 15W. It also features a USB-C port for faster charging. With the ability to charge 2 devices at once, this portable charger is perfect for long trips or busy days where you need to stay connected. 2. Electric Scalp Massager. Number 2 is the Electric Scalp Massager, which combines relaxation and wellness. This handheld massager features 8 silicone massage heads that mimic the soothing kneading action of human fingers, promoting blood circulation and easing tension. Its waterproof design allows for use in both wet and dry conditions, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort. Whether it's for stress relief, improved scalp health, or relaxation, this is a thoughtful gift that will pamper anyone who uses it. Number 1. Tire Inflator. And last but certainly not least, we have the Tire Inflator at number 1. This compact and powerful tool is a must-have for anyone who drives. Whether you're inflating car tires, bike tires, or even sports balls, this inflator gets the job done quickly and precisely. With a smart screen that shows real-time pressure readings, preset modes for different types of tires, and an auto-off feature that stops when the desired pressure is reached, this gadget is both practical and reliable. And that wraps up our list of Amazon gifts under $50. Whether you're shopping for a birthday, holiday, or just because, these gifts are practical, fun, and guaranteed to make an impact without breaking the bank. All the links to these awesome products are down in the description, so don't forget to check them out. Now, before we go, here's a fun trivia question for you. Trivia. Question. What year did Amazon officially launch its Prime membership program, which includes benefits like free 2-day shipping? Answer. Amazon launched its Prime membership program in 2005. Leave your answer in the comments below, and we'll pick a winner to shout out in our next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tech recommendations. See you next time on Tony's Top Tech.